Hi everybody, my name is Christian and welcome to another episode. Today I'm gonna show you how to get your phone unlocked. This will work for any brand including Samsung, LG, Motorola, Huawei, or any other. If you're new to the channel, welcome on board. We upload a lot of tech videos in the channel. We've been doing it for many years, so welcome on board. This video is gonna show you how to get your phone SIM card network unlocked to use it with any carrier anywhere in the world. So if you travel or if you switch providers, you're gonna simply be able to insert a SIM card and your phone will be compatible with that SIM card, as long as it's a GSM SIM card. There are different ways to get a phone unlocked. You can take it to a phone shop, you can take it to your supplier, or you can do it yourself at home using this tool. In my opinion, it's the best tool. So I'm gonna grab my Samsung Galaxy. Feel free to follow along with any brand. So grab your phone, and the first thing we're gonna have to do is to get the IMEI number of the smartphone. To do that, simply dial *#06#. As you will see, the 15-digit number will show up in the screen. This number is very important. This is a unique number. Sometimes it's also behind the box or in the settings on your phone. Based on this number, we will unlock your phone. Alright, so the next step is to go to the internet. Here we will unlock the phone. We have to fill in the form, the brand of your phone. So this will work for any other brand as well. Then you're gonna write down your IMEI number. That's the number we got at the beginning of the video, so just make sure you write it down correctly. Then you have to type the email where you want to receive your code or the notification that your phone has been unlocked. So just make sure you write it down correctly. It's very important, otherwise you won't get your unlock code. So just make sure it is 100% correct. Alright, so now you have to wait until you get your unlock code. This will take a couple of days, as I said before, so you have to be very patient. But for this example, I'm gonna show you how the email I got looks. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. So I'm just gonna open it. So as you can see here, it says that everything went successful, and now we have instructions on how to activate the unlock. In some cases, you're gonna have an unlock code. In other cases, you simply will get a confirmation that your phone has been remotely unlocked. Either way, I'm gonna show you how to do the unlock or how to activate the unlock. I'm gonna switch back cameras. Alright, so grab your phone, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, and we're gonna power off the device and insert the SIM card. It can be any GSM SIM card. Ideally, it should be different than the original carrier, just to test if the unlock works. For iPhone users, you simply need to connect your device to Wi-Fi or to your computer, and the unlock should be activated. For Android users, I'm going to show you these two methods. So when you power on your device, the first thing you're going to see with a new SIM card is this message requiring an unlock code to unlock the network of the phone. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to insert the code, and then it's going to be accepted. And that means that the phone was successfully unlocked. Now, if your phone didn't require an unlock code, it's because of two things. The first one is that your phone might already be unlocked, or the second one is that you have an unlock application pre-installed on your phone. So in many phones, especially in the United States, all you have to do is to open this application, request the unlock, and activate it. So the unlock should work after you have received the confirmation that your phone has been successfully unlocked. So that's all for today, guys. This is how you get any phone unlocked. If you have any questions, please just leave them on the comment section down below and I will try to answer them as quick as possible. Thank you so much.